The WOSPORTS NV400 is a digital night vision binocular featuring a powerful 10 times optical zoom, infrared night vision, and built-in photo and video recording. Designed for long-range observation, both day and night, it helps you see distant subjects in greater detail while capturing every moment along the way. Let's take a look at what's included in the box. Inside the storage box, you'll find the night vision binoculars, a user manual, a card reader, a cleaning cloth, a USB charging cable, an SD card, and a neck strap. Now you're ready to set up your NV400. The charging port is on the left side of the device. To charge the battery, connect the included USB-C cable to a power adapter, a computer, or a portable power bank. The red LED indicator stays on during charging and turns off when charging is complete. Allow the battery to fully charge before first use. The NV400 includes a micro SD card for storing photos and videos. Insert the card into the card slot. Press and hold the power button to turn the device on. Now your NV400 is ready to use. Short press the M button to switch between photo mode, video mode, and playback mode. In photo mode, press the OK button to capture a photo. In video mode, press the OK button to start recording. While recording, a flashing red indicator will appear at the top of the screen. Press the OK button again to stop recording. To review your files, switch to playback mode and use the up and down buttons to browse through your photos and videos. Press OK to replay your videos. To delete files, press and hold the M button to open the delete menu. You can connect the NV400 directly to your computer using the USB cable, or remove the SD card and use a card reader to access your files on a computer. In this video, we'll show you how to use the NV400's powerful 10 times optical zoom, adjust focus correctly, and optimize your night vision settings. Unlike most digital night vision devices, the NV400 features up to 10 times optical zoom, allowing you to observe distant subjects in greater detail before using any digital zoom. The two adjustment wheels on the left side control optical zoom and focus. Understanding how they work is the key to getting a clear image. The outer wheel controls optical zoom. Rotate it counterclockwise to increase magnification, up to 10 times optical zoom. After changing the zoom level, the image may appear blurry. This is normal. Keep the outer zoom wheel fixed, then slowly rotate the inner wheel to adjust focus until the image becomes sharp and clear. Every time you change the optical zoom level, you'll need to readjust focus to achieve maximum image clarity. In dark environments, infrared illumination helps improve visibility. Short press the up or down button to enter infrared mode. The screen will display the current IR level. The NV400 offers 7 infrared brightness levels, from IR1 through IR7. Higher levels provide brighter illumination for longer viewing distances. When IR7 is selected, short pressing up again exits infrared mode. Likewise, pressing down while at IR0 will also exit infrared mode. The wheel on the right side adjusts the infrared beam angle. Rotate it counterclockwise for a wider beam and shorter illumination distance when observing nearby subjects. Rotate it clockwise to concentrate the infrared beam and extend viewing distance. In addition to optical zoom, the NV400 also offers up to 8 times digital zoom. Press and hold the up button to increase digital zoom magnification. Press and hold the down button to reduce digital zoom magnification. For the best image quality, we recommend using optical zoom first, and digital zoom only when additional magnification is needed. Long press the M button to access device settings. Adjust photo resolution from 3 megapixels to 48 megapixels for different storage and image quality needs. Choose the video resolution that works best for your recordings. Set the correct date and time for accurate file information. LCD backlight adjusts the screen brightness. higher levels make the display brighter, while lower levels can help extend battery life. Date and time tag lets you add a timestamp to your photos and videos. Language allows you to select your preferred system language, including English, Japanese, German, French, and Italian. Frequency helps reduce screen flicker under different lighting conditions. In most cases, the default setting is recommended. PowerSave automatically turns the device off after a period of inactivity to conserve battery power. Format SD erases all files stored on the memory card. Make sure to back up important files before formatting. Default setting restores all menu options to factory defaults. Software Quad is used when installing new firmware provided by WOSPORTS. Version displays the current firmware version. In this video, we'll show you the recommended workflow for getting the best nighttime viewing experience with your NV400. Start by powering on the device and waiting for the main viewing screen to appear. Before searching for a target, rotate the outer wheel on the left side to set optical zoom to its lowest level. This provides the widest field of view for scanning. Next, slowly adjust the inner wheel to focus the objective lens until distant objects appear sharp and clear. Now begin scanning the area and locating your subject. The wider viewing angle makes it easier to find targets before zooming in. Once you've located a target, enter infrared mode and gradually increase the IR level as needed for your environment. Higher IR levels provide stronger illumination and better visibility in darker conditions. After identifying your target, use the outer wheel to increase optical magnification and bring the subject closer. After changing the optical zoom level, the image may become slightly blurry. Keep the outer zoom wheel fixed and slowly rotate the inner focus wheel until the image becomes sharp again. Remember, whenever you change optical zoom, you'll need to refocus for the best image quality. If needed, fine-tune the infrared beam using the adjustment wheel on the right side of the device. Narrow the beam for distant subjects or widen it when observing nearby objects. At this point, you should have the clearest possible view of your subject. To capture a still image, switch to photo mode and press the OK button. To record video, switch to video mode and press OK to start recording. Capture and save your observations directly to the included memory card. Here are a few additional tips to help you get the most from your NV400. The NV400 supports 2 viewing styles. You can place your eyes directly against the rubber eye cups to block external light, or hold the device slightly away from your face for greater comfort when wearing glasses, or if you're sensitive to motion. When moving outdoors, attach the included neck strap for added convenience and security. For extremely distant subjects, you can activate digital zoom by pressing and holding the up button for additional magnification. We recommend using optical zoom first and digital zoom only when additional magnification is needed.